Do you want better looking video for your Instagram, better looking video for your Facebook, better looking video for your products and for your business? Then stay tuned. Okay, so you want to get great video for your business and you want to be able to put it on social media, you want to be able to put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook, you want to be able to distribute it in a lot of places, but you notice that your videos are a little shaky. You notice that your videos, they might be a little dark. The audio is really bad. Here's how to up your business video game on a very, very small budget. And by the way, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It would really help me reach more people like you. I'm going to show you the exact setup that I use when I record from my iPhone. Right now I'm actually recording from a Canon camera, but I'm going to show you the exact setup that I've used to record from my iPhone and create video ads and get conversions out of those and get new customers and new business. And I'm going to show you the exact kit that I use. The very first thing you're going to need is a good stable tripod for your iPhone. And so what I use is the Joby Gorilla Pod. It's this pod right here. What's kind of neat is it's flexible. So you can kind of put it in all these kind of different positions. But it's also really good if you just want to be able to kind of hand hold it as well. So you can kind of hand hold it like this. And so I'm going to show you how that all connects in a moment. Okay, the second thing you're going to need for your iPhone video setup is going to be a good iPhone mount. So this is the one that I use here. This sells for about $8 on Amazon. This is probably the least expensive part of this kit here. What I like about this is you can put this in portrait mode. Landscape mode. So you can put this here in landscape mode. And now you can record regular landscape videos, or you can take this adjustment and you can actually spin it. And when you spin it, you can do it in your portrait mode. So if you're trying to make videos for like Instagram stories, or you're trying to just go portrait vertical style video, which is very popular, I'm not against it. It's obviously landscape has been the type of video we've shot for a while, but portrait video has really come along, and it's the preferred for things like IGTV as well as Instagram stories. So consider getting into vertical video. But okay, so the next thing you're going to need is a little adapter here. It's called a cold shoe plate. So basically what this does, it extends what's on the tripod here, so you can put an additional accessory over here. So this cold shoe adapter is only a few dollars as well. By the way, all the links to this kit are in the description of the video. So there's a link there that says kit, and it will have all of the items I'm showing you here today. And so that way you can just order all of them and you can have a really, really nice iPhone video setup for your business. So basically you're just going to attach this little adapter, just screw it in between the smartphone mount and the tripod. The next thing you're going to need is a good microphone. So I have a microphone attached here. The one that I recommend that's in the kit is actually on the camera right now, so I can spin it around and show you in a moment. But basically it's going to look something like this. So this is another type of shotgun microphone. This is one by Polaroid, but the one that I have on the camera right now that's recording from is by a company called 𝙭. They make a very, very good, affordable shotgun style microphone. So this is going to help you get really, really good video audio quality. You gotta remember that audio is about 50% of the video that you're watching. So it can have really, really high resolution video from your iPhone, but if the audio is really bad, people are just gonna tune out because they're not gonna be able to hear you well. So the next thing I'm recommending is a good audio microphone. Okay, so basically everything you see here between the tripod, the smartphone mount, the microphone that I'm recommending, it all comes in around $100. So for about $100, you can get yourself a really, really nice setup that gives you stable video and gives you great audio. The next thing I'd recommend is lighting, but I'm going to get into that in a whole other video. I'll give you a quick shot here of the lighting setup that I have. You don't need to get 3 lights, but you might want to look at investing into at least 1 additional light, which is going to help bring the colors in a lot better into your video. And by the way, this is going to be very, very easy to edit. I'll show you in a new video how you can very, very quickly, easily edit your videos, actually right from your phone or from your computer, but with very, very little experience or no experience at all. Okay, so there you have it. So there is my recommended iPhone video setup. If you want to get much better stabilized video, and if you want to get great audio, which again is 50% of the video that someone's going to be watching. So if this is your first time here, again, please consider subscribing. If you thought this video was valuable to you, hit the like button. If you didn't think it was valuable, just hit the like button anyway. That'd be really great. But otherwise, if you stay tuned for a few more seconds, you can see a couple of other videos that I'll throw up in the cards here, some other things that might be of benefit to you. Okay, great. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later.